I'm here on site at Après condos at the mouth of Big Cottonwood Canyon, and you can really see how much progress has been made. What's really special about Après is that it's being built with steel framing and concrete between each floor. This creates a more solid building and reduces sound transfer between condos. As you walk through the building, you really get a feel for how spacious everything is. The ceilings are 10 feet high, and the hallways are much wider than what you typically see. It's always fun to see the finishes at the end, but it's the way this building was designed and constructed that really sets Après apart.